Good morning, my dear friends. Dear students, when you are doing London O-level examination, either IGCSE or Edexcel exams, that means Cambridge or Edexcel exams, accounting paper. Accounting paper, there are some adjustments. My last adjustment I told you about accrued expenses. Today now I am going to introduce you some prepaid expenses. Whatever prepaid expenses means paid in advance. Expenses we have to pay in advance. Now for an example, assume that a business organization paid some expenses for the forthcoming year. Forthcoming year means the next year. Example, now assume that you paid 10,000. You paid 10,000 rent for this year. But this total 10,000 is not belongs to this current year. Maybe they have paid for next year as well. So what you have to do, you should be able to do the adjustments this under income statement and financial position. How can you do this? Now, prepaid expenses you have to treat as income statement, not an expense. So these expenses you have to minus and put it to financial position under current assets. Now, why we are treating this under current assets? Because these expenses not belongs to this year. So therefore, there is an adjustment to be done for this matter. Now, assume that, now I am going to show this, how to do these adjustments under income statement and financial position. Now, assume that prepaid expenses means paid in advance. Business organization might pay some expenses for the forthcoming year. These are called prepaid expenses. Now, for a financial year, December 31st, 2000, in the trial balance, rent is 10,000. Rent is 10,000. The trial balance they have entered as 10,000. Dollars or sterling pounds or rupees or anything. But under the adjustments, it tells, rent prepaid is 1,000. Rent prepaid is 1,000. That means the business has paid for the year of 2001. So our current year is 2000. They have paid for the forthcoming year, that means 2001 as well. So what you have to do, these adjustments, when you enter these 1,000 also for the current year, it is wrong. So therefore, being accounting students, to balance the trial balance or to do the correct adjustments, what you have to do, you should be able to do these adjustments under income statement and trial balance. How to do this? So in the income statement, it will be, you have to minus 1,000. 10,000 minus 1,000, it will be 9,000. So in the financial position, under current assets, you have to put as a prepaid expenses, rent 1,000. My dear friends, most of the children, even London O-level, Edexcel as well as Cambridge examinations, what they are doing, they are not doing these adjustments correctly. So therefore, even local exams, O-level exam as well as A-level exam, this basic theory, you should not forget. When you are doing mistakes of this basic theory, you have a big problem. So therefore, my dear friends, what you have to do, you should be able to do this prepaid expenses, accrued expenses correctly. Now, as I told before, I have given one adjustment before, accrued expenses. So this is the second adjustment I am doing. Afterwards, what I am going to do, I am going to discuss a full paper, all the adjustments. So I will repeat again, prepaid expenses paid in advance, what you have to do, you have to enter under income statement after minusing this figure. That means 31st December, that means last year, assume that this is 2001. 2000 trial balance, they have given 10,000. But total 10,000 you cannot enter under income statement because this 1,000 is not belongs to this year. As a result, what you have to do, 10,000 minus 1,000, you have to enter under current, enter under income statement only 9,000. But when you are going to the financial position, this 1,000 only you have to enter under current assets. Remember. Okay, my dear friends, so the forthcoming examination, that means May, June examination, all the accounting paper adjustments I am going to provide you within a week or 2 weeks. You have to just go to the my channel and understand all the adjustments, how they are doing. And accounting, not only accounting, but also economics as well as business studies, also some questions I am going to discuss. Okay, my dear friends, now I'll be winding up at this level. You have to be very careful about when you are doing these adjustments. Okay, then take care and wish you all the best. Thank you very much for the exam, and now thank you very much. Okay, my dear friends. Okay.